think the Filipino style is dipping it in the coffee. Hello guys, welcome back to Pinoy Planet. I'm very excited today because I'm going to make bread, and it's a bread from the Philippines. It's called Pandesal. Okay, so I have a bread machine here, so let us have a look at the ingredients and mix them here. I will start with 250 grams of whole milk. I'm going to put it here. Okay, next I will add 35 grams of sugar and also 7 grams of instant yeast. I will also add 50 grams of softened butter, and 1 whole egg. Dutch weather again, so raining, sunshine, raining, sunshine. I don't know if we will make it, but anyway, let's go to the flour. This is a Japanese flour, Japanese bread flour, to make the bread really soft. Pogi's waiting for the pandesal. Pogi, you like pandesal? Pandesal? Pandesal. So let's put it in. I'm using 400 grams of flour. Of course, you can also use all-purpose flour with this recipe. There's the sun again. So finally, I'm gonna add 5 grams of salt. Just gonna put sea salt. Okay, and that should be it for the pandesal mixture. So I'm gonna add this to the bread making machine. I'm gonna turn it on the dough setting. It's gonna make a dough and it will rise, it will ferment, and later we're gonna chop it up in smaller pieces. Guys, I'm very excited because I'm gonna take out the dough. It has been 2 hours. First 1.5 hour, and then afterwards mix it again and another half an hour. So this has a lot of flavor. Let's take it out. I'll put a little bit of flour here. Nice piece of dough here, very fluffy. Okay, I'm gonna make about 20 pieces, so hopefully we can make about 20 pandesal. Guys, I think it starts to rain, so I'm gonna quickly bring this inside. Maybe not all became the same size. Some are a bit smaller than others, but doesn't matter so much. I'm gonna let it rest for about 20 minutes and then put it in the oven. Guys, the Pandesal, let's taste it. It's still warm. I'm gonna put some butter. A little bit of butter on it. Very nice. It's very soft, and I'm gonna try eating it tomorrow morning for breakfast with coffee. I have some coffee here, 3-in-1, Pandesal, Filipino style. I think the Filipino style is dipping it in the coffee. Very nice. I like Pandesal. Really nice for breakfast. How do you eat your Pandesal? With coffee like me? Leave your comments. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you like this episode, please stay tuned for more Filipino food.